Hey friends, if you wish to permanently disable Microsoft Defender on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. But here's one thing that I want you to know. You cannot permanently disable Microsoft Defender. You can only disable it temporarily. The reason is that it is a policy of Microsoft that whenever you restart your computer, it will be restarted. And other channels and websites that suggest a registry level fix are lying about it. Anyway, to switch it off, search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and then go to Windows Security. Go to Virus and Threat Protection on the list on the left hand side and select Manage Settings in the right pane. You can turn off the switch for real-time protection and that will switch off the Microsoft Defender process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.